Welcome back. Now you can print design for a poster. So for example, if we were to write in poster, you'll see here that there are going to be suggested templates for an 18-inch by 24-inch poster. I'm going to click inside of that link. That's going to bring us to our templates that are event posters. We can choose one of these posters and then edit it. So once we've done that, then what we can do is we can come to our link where it says print posters. And then of course we can choose our posters and choose the size. And we can choose how many copies we're going to want of the poster. Once we've chosen our shipping option, we can then click Continue. Canva will give us some editing options. We'll then click Continue. We'll then remove the white edges and then click Continue. We want to make sure that nothing is spilling over into the danger zone. We'll then click Continue. We'll then get a PDF proof for us to look at through our browser. We'll then be able to look at our proof in PDF form. We'll then be able to complete our order. We'll then check off the disclosure. And we'll then click Continue. We'll then fill in our shipping. And then we can complete our order to have our posters shipped. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. Now you've seen in different places around your dashboard this button that says Upgrade, and this will allow you to upgrade to Canva for Work, which will give you access to other tools to create more designs. So in this case, all you would need to do is to click this Upgrade button, and you'll notice that there are going to be some things that you're going to be able to do, such as with the brand kit, the resizing of your designs, to animate your graphics, and then to collaborate with more aspects of some of the content that you have, and then to export your designs with a transparent background. We're going to click Try it for free for 30 days. You can choose whether you want to have the monthly or yearly option in order to upgrade in 30 days. What you'll do then is you'll write in your card number. Now what you're going to want to be aware of is how many team members you have, because you will be paying for them when you upgrade. Once you do that, you'll then have access to 7 additional tools, which you will see here in your welcome screen. You'll also see it inside of any Canvas design screen where you click the More button. If you scroll down, what you'll see here is you'll see those 7 elements that come with Canva for Work. It will now review those features in the next videos. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.